guys, it's Ray. So after their last big sale, HTVRont reached out to me again and wanted to know if I wanted more product. And I love testing new products. I believe some of this is the same old product I already have, but any little bit of product that's given to me helps me keep this channel going. Less out of my pocket to teach you guys. So I of course said yes. So I'm gonna open this up, see what I received this time. And I have two big packages. So this one I'm gonna save because this is something that is very different. I can see by the label. Not something I normally work with on this channel, but I think it'll be fun to play with, so, but, let's see. So, there was 5 packages in that one, and I believe this will be two, these will be 2 familiar vinyl packages from what we saw the last time. So I'm excited about that because you can never have too much vinyl when you work in this particular type of business. So I'm going to start with those. Yep. Awesome. This is the exact same pack that I received the last time. So that's cool. I do have more t-shirts that I didn't get to yet that I wanted to get to, and some other things, so I'll just show them to you quick because we've already been over this. This is a full rainbow, including the silver and gold and the black and white. So this is like the perfect starter bundle for somebody getting into HTV because you get 12 rolls that are 12 inches by 5 feet long. So it's a lot of vinyl to test and play with, especially if you're new to heat transfer vinyl. And so far I am really impressed with the little press they sent me and all of the vinyl. That first t-shirt you saw me make with the chameleon vinyl, if you watched that one, I think I just put it in the washer and dryer for the 9th time. So it's been fantastic. I've had no issues with it. It is holding up very well. If it wasn't currently in the dryer, I would show it to you. But they are both actually currently in the dryer. Both t-shirts I already did. So this is the permanent vinyl. This is 12 rolls of 12 inches by 5 feet also. Also the full rainbow. And in this set you get 1 pink. So you get, instead of the second pink like in the heat transfer bundle, you get 1 pink, but you get a gray in addition to the full rainbow, the silver and the gold. So this is perfect. Basic colors, again, an awesome beginner set. If you're new to working with vinyl and looking for a bundle, this is a great way to go. So I'm not sure what else I have in here. I'm gonna peek real quick. Alright, this is their blue grid transfer tape. I believe this is 12 inches by 12 feet. So this is a full-size transfer tape. They sent me the smaller roll last time. So this will be good for bigger projects. And this is Teflon sheet, which when you watched me do my other ones, I didn't have any Teflon. The funniest part is my sister brought me some Teflon sheets to our scrapbook retreat we went on, but this is Teflon for pressing. Instead of using parchment going forward, I will use this on top of my heat transfer vinyl to press over. So that's the barrier between your vinyl and the heat source. So that will definitely come in handy. Oh, I know what this is. This is new to me. I will try this when I get a sunny day. I don't have a good UV light because this is UV resin, so you need UV light to cure it. You can use sunlight. You can use a UV light. I only have a small UV flashlight, which isn't really strong enough. But generally speaking, UV resins give me a headache. So, I'm not typically a fan, but I will definitely try theirs. If I got a warm enough, sunny enough day, I would probably just go ahead and work with it outdoors. Most people don't have an issue with the smell like it, but I've always had a problem with UV resin, which is why I don't even have any here, even though it comes in handy for a lot of things. So I'm going to go ahead and test this out. I'll find a project. But there says, fast curing, high gloss, odor-free, self-degassing, resistant to yellowing. This is 500 grams, so this is a great size bottle. It did come with one little pinch pot if I wanted to mix glitter or something in with it. It comes with a couple little tools, so we will test that out. We will do some keychains or straw topper molds or something. And this I'm not sure of. I know what it is, but I don't know what style it is. This should be printable vinyl. So, printable vinyl sticker paper for inkjet and laser printers. So that is perfect. This I can print on cups as an alternate to using a Waterslide if it's a solid image, because it is white, so it's something you're going to have to be able to cut thoroughly around or use possibly as a full wrap, but I'm not sure what size sheets these are. So this says here 8.5 by 11. So I just want to confirm that, because if it is, I will do a full wrap on a cup with it, and I will do, you know, jeepers, avalanche. So yes, 8.5 by 11, which is perfect. I've been wanting to try this, so I will go ahead and do a full wrap with this, as well as a typical decal. And last, this is the one that is a totally different craft entirely. So this will be fun to do something different. They offered me this in the last round and I passed on it, but it is a soy wax candle making kit. So let's see what it comes with. It says it comes with 4 dye blocks, 4 fragrances, 2.5 pounds of soy wax, a thermometer, heat-proof container, 4 round candle tins with covers, 50 candle wicks and glue stickers, 4 stirring sticks, 4 bow tie clips, 1 user's manual, and 8 warning labels. So let's just have a peek in here. I'll get more into it next time. That's handy. I don't think it came, oh, maybe it did. It smells wonderful. It says oils, lavender, sandalwood, sweet orange. I bet you that's what I'm smelling. And sage. So, thank God there's no eucalyptus in here. Woohoo! Those are big candle tins. I'm impressed. So stir sticks, a bunch of wicks, the clips, colorant, the wax, and a big tin for melting, and the warning labels, which is nice. So, I'm not going to get into this right now. I will pick a day when I have time to sit down and thoroughly read the directions, but this actually looks like a complete craft. You could even probably do this with kids, as long as you were supervising the heating of the wax. It's already reading, and it's quite cold in my room, in fact. So here's your little manual. It tells you how to do it. So I am actually pretty excited to try this. Like I said, I passed on it in the first round, but I think it'll be fun and something different. And if you've been paying attention, I've been looking for some different things. I absolutely love making cups, but I've been so tied up in cups that it has been not allowing me to flex my other crafty and creative things. That's why I started the junk journaling on the other channel, and like going to my scrapbook retreat was a great break into paper crafting for a bit. So I think this will be a lot of fun. We'll come in and we'll do the 4 candles, maybe one of each scent. I may do all sweet orange because that's my preference. I'm not typically a big fan of lavender. So cool. This is actually a really nice kit. So that is everything they sent me this round. Like I said, some of it's the same, some of it's different. All very functional, other than this, usable items for my channel and the things I do, which is wonderful for me. So I will get links below to everything on their site on Amazon, wherever I find that particular item. They do have a US warehouse, so things ship fairly quickly when they're from there. And obviously Amazon is Amazon. You know how their shipping works. So be looking forward to some of these projects coming up in the next couple of days. And so far I have been really pleased with everything they have provided me with. So I am very excited about this. I will also be getting, not until June, I believe, a larger heat press from them. So when we get to that point down the road, we'll take care of that. But for now, you'll see me working with these items. So thank you. I will see you in the next one.